Refer to the website listed here for dimensions on cutting your cardstock. Refer to your product documentation for how many pieces of each you'll need to cut to assemble your tree. You'll want to use your Manhattan flower embossing folder to emboss the image onto all of your tree pieces. It adds a little bit more texture to the final project. Using a chocolate chip die pad, sponge the edges of all of your die cut trees. Stamp just the tips of the trees using the Tree from the Forest Friends stamp set and chocolate chip ink. Now it's time for assembly. You're going to take your 4 medium-sized trees and lay them down so all the slots are on the right-hand side. It's important that they're on the right-hand side. Then take your 2 largest tree pieces, bend down the point on the tree that has the notch at the top, and slide it through the other large tree that has the slot in the middle. Remember to start with the base, hook the base first in the middle notch, and then slide it all the way through the slot until you get to the top notch, and then raise up the tip. That will secure it in place. You can bend down the tips of some of the branches. It's going to help you in the future to attach the other pieces of the die cut pieces. Take 2 of your medium-sized trees, bend the tips down, and you're going to take the piece on the right and slide it through the outer slot on the left. Hook the bottom first, push it through, and then push the tip up, and repeat with the other 2 medium-sized tree branches. Slide the base through the outer slot, starting at the bottom, hook it in the notch, push it through, and slide up the tip. Now we'll assemble them to the largest part of the tree. You want the branches from the large part of the tree, the large tree, to fit into the slot of the medium-sized tree. Start from the base and push it through so it fits snug in the bottom notch. Push the branches through. And then slide up the tip, and you'll repeat this on all 4 sides. You'll notice that 2 of the corners of the medium parts of the tree are not connected, so you'll want to just slide those loose ends into the available slots. It'll be obvious when you look at it. It'll be loose. Once you have all 4 sides connected, you'll want to put the 3rd layer of the tree onto the main body. Remember to bend the tips of the tree branch, and starting from the bottom, you want to hook the notches underneath first and then slip it over the top. You can pull them through gently, and once it's over, you want to lift that tip back up. That'll secure it in place, and you'll repeat this on all 4 sides. Now you'll want to clip some red line and attach it to the base, or the actual part of the die that will pop up, make the tree pop up. Fold it on the score lines and attach the red line. You want to place the tree down so it's in the crease of the card, making sure it's not extending over the top or the bottom.